ये एडवांस में आया हुआ ये क्वेश्चन आपको दिखने में ट्रिकी लग सकता है, पर इसका सोल्यूशन निकालने के लिए हमें एक कंसेप्ट पता होनी चाहिए और बहुत सारे बच्चे वो मिस कर देते हैं. सो लेट आई इज इक्वल्स टू इंटीग्रेशन सेक स्क्वायर एक्स इंटू डी एक्स and in the denominator sec x plus tan x to the power 9 by 2. I would like to solve this question by substitution method. Put t is equals to sec x plus tan x. Now differentiate t का differentiation dt and sec x का differentiation sec x into tan x plus tan x का differentiation sec square x into dx. Now in the next step dt is equals to sec x we would like to take common, then tan x plus sec x. Now this tan x plus sec x is t, so dt by this t in the denominator dt by dt is equals to sec x into dx. I would like to put in this original integration and I is equals to integration sec x and 1 sec x into dx is dt by t and sec x plus tan x is t to the power 9 by 2. So I is equals to sec x into dt in the denominator t to the power 11 by 2. Oops, but this sec x get take give us problem. So t is equals to sec x plus tan x and reciprocal of t is 1 by t and reciprocal of this is 1 upon sec x plus tan x. Now by trigonometric identity I would like to substitute 1 by trigonometric identity, which is sec square x minus tan square x. So sec x into sec x plus tan x into sec x minus tan x and denominator is same sec x plus tan x. And these two bracket will get cancelled. 1 upon t is equals to sec x minus tan x. Now add these two terms. One is t and plus 1 by t. And our t is sec x plus tan x. T plus 1 by t is equals to sec x plus tan x plus sec x minus tan x and plus tan x minus tan x will be 0 and sec x plus sec x is 2 sec x t plus 1 upon t and this 2 is 1 upon 2 and t plus 1 by t is equals to sec x. Now we will got sec x in terms of t. So put I is equals to in integration 1 by 2 t plus 1 upon t in the denominator t to the power 11 by 2 and this is dt. Then half integration of t and on solving this 11 by 2 into so integration t to the power minus 13 by 2 1 by 2. Now integration of this t to the power minus 9 by 2 is t to the power minus 7 by 2 and in the denominator minus 7 by 2. Similarly t to the power minus 11 by 2 in the denominator minus 11 by 2. So I is equals to 2 and minus 2 take common, then the remaining term is 1 upon 7 t to the power 7 by 2 plus 1 upon 11 and t to the power 11 by 2. So now take LCM of this term, this 2 and 2 get cancelled, minus 1 into LCM of this is 11 t to the power 11 by 2 plus 7 t to the power 7 by 2 and in the denominator 77 t to the power 9. So minus 1 into, now take t to the power 7 by 2 common and from denominator t to the power 9, which will be t to the power minus 9. So t to the power 7 by 2 minus 9 and now here in the bracket 1 upon 11 is remaining plus t square by 7. Now we have to solve last. I is equals to minus 1 into t to the power, this will be t to the power 11 by 2 and 1 upon 11 plus t square by 7. Now last we have to put value for t and which is sorry, I forgot to write k. So integrating constant is k. Now put sec x plus tan x for t And similarly 1 upon 11 plus t sec x plus tan x to the bracket 2 by 7. Here is our final answer.